Welcome to InboxAlly. Hey folks, in this video I'm going to show you how to clean your email list with InboxAlly using our free email list verification tool. I'm leaving the link in the description box below, but you can navigate to the page like this. Right here on the main page, you can paste a few email addresses directly into the box to test them out. The tool runs 9 different checks in the background, like verifying the syntax and checking if the mailbox actually exists. Here you can see everything that we check. We are running 9 different checks on every single address. It validates the syntax, checks MX records, and performs an SMTP mailbox verification to confirm the inbox exists. It also filters out hard bounces, disposable emails, and catch-all domains, while screening for abuse addresses, toxic domains, and hidden spam traps. But if you're working with a real campaign, you're going to have a larger list. For that, you'll want to use the bulk upload feature. To do this, just click over here and create a free account. You don't need a credit card, and the free tier gives you 100 verifications a month. Once you're logged in and have verified your email and phone number, go to the email list verification tool and upload your CSV or XLS file. There's no special formatting needed. Once you upload it, the system will process your list. Most standard lists finish in under a minute. When the scan is finished, you can download your clean list. The risky addresses, bounces, and catch-all emails are flagged and separated out, leaving you with a clean CSV that's ready to upload to your email provider. Here you can see the breakdown in percentage in a pie chart. You can also get a breakdown of the email providers for your list. And that's the whole process. It's a simple step, but it makes a big difference for your deliverability. And all of this completely for free with no card needed.